Thank you very much, Mr. Lawyer Assan. Please tell us so far what has been the update after this incident.
Well, thank you, everybody. We are here today. What happened today was that some members of GALA, the GALA was to, celebrate their own anniversary. Everybody knows GALA, which is the Gambia, Gambia Looted Assets Organization. Okay. Jammeh Assets. Issue is that this is a 1-year anniversary. They were to celebrate this inside the monument after having applied to KMC, who give them the permit to be on ground. Everybody knows that a monument is a place that people have their own occasions. The monument at Westfield. So some of these GALA members, they were there to just celebrate their own. It was not a protest. It was nothing. They were celebrating an anniversary of 1-year anniversary of the existence of GALA. That's what they were just doing. So some members being there, and everybody knows in Gambia that the monument there, people hold their celebrations, whether parties, whether, religious discussions and so on. That's the monument. But they have to get permit. GALA got this permit at the KMC, who allowed them to be there. What happened around midday today, Friday, the police went there and meet them inside that venue where they already got the permit. A venue is a public place. It's like everybody holds in a hall or in a ground that we all have this thing. The police went there and arrested these people. Almost 8 of them are now arrested and brought to Kairaba police station this afternoon. That's where we are today. So part of these 8, you may read them on the social media. So apparently we know that there is a motive. There is nothing wrong according to law. Section 25 is all clear. It's like then we are going to be denied. Anybody who wants to have what they call press conferences or on occasion also, you will be arrested for having an event in a venue already granted. Do you need permit for that? It's no. Let's be fair. And let all Gambians, we are appealing to all Gambians, especially you, the youths, it's your future. We have to defend our constitution. Section 25 is clear. Free, peaceful assembly is there. What is the problem? The problem is that some people went just to go and celebrate. They are not there to protest. So the police came and find them inside this place and arrested some of them. So I think to all Gambia that we all have to come and, stand in solidarity. But furthermore, some of us, the lawyers, have come here. Lamin Dabo, myself, and then other lawyers are here this afternoon at the Kairaba police station right now. We have checked the welfare of these detainees, 8 of them. They are in good shape, they are in good health. Secondly, we ensure that they got their provisions, feeding and all these things. Right now, we are following the process and other lawyers are here this afternoon at the Kairaba police station right now. We have checked the welfare of these detainees, 8 of them. They are in good shape, they are in good health. Secondly, we ensure that they got their provisions, feeding and all these things. Right now, we are following the process and the procedures. When somebody is arrested in Gambia, we all know there is a delay tactics. What we sense that there is a charge against them for what? Unlawful assembly, which is a misdemeanor under the law. They should get a bail. Nothing to waste tactically saying that we are investigating. We know the 72-hour rule. But these people, we all know, all Gambians sitting there watching this, they should get a bail. If you are accused, it's not that they have to keep you here saying that we are investigating. This police tactics has to end. Let's all face it. Some of us has been in this establishment. We have been, on the bench. We have also been prosecutors. Also, we have been also in legal state counsel. We know the law is simple. Whenever somebody is accused of something which is a misdemeanor, this is not a felony. They haven't killed nobody. They haven't, robbed nobody or anything that can deny you the bail. They should be granted bail, and we are appealing to all Gambian youths and so on. GALA Gambia, this thing for looted assets, we all know. Their purpose is clear. It's a mission to say that their government should be accountable on the sales of the assets of President Yahya Jammeh. And to all Gambians watching this, do you know that the asset sales, even in this last report of the special committee at the parliament, the asset sales has gone to $1.3 billion. That's what is there. And you Gambians are sitting, $1.3 billion. Where did this borough administration put this money? Some people are saying there are some accounts in the banks. Where is that money? Did they tell us Gambians after selling the Jammeh assets? We even know that cars were, cars were sold at the lowest at the $10,000 or less. But where is the money? Gambians, ask yourself, $1.3 billion is that what they say that have sold Jammeh assets. Where is the money? Did they tell us where they are in the accounts? Nowhere. They are nowhere. So we Gambians, are we sitting here continuing this cycle where government is looking at playing with your futures? The future of this younger generation. Wake up. Network. I always see they say this thing. The future rests with you young people. We will do all what we do. So from there now, what we are expecting, we have spoken to the police here at the Kairaba police. The next move is that we expect them to have a bail this evening. Failure of which, as I say, we all know, we are all Gambians, is to defend justice here. We can come back and also ask for bail if they continue this. The expectation is that they are not going beyond the general 72 hours rule. If they are going to parade them, we call it arraigned in court, they can arraign them in court on Monday. But we are waiting for this, and as far as we are concerned, this is what happened. Right now, there are a lot of people sympathize, as you all see. Groups are here, groups who believes in the cause. GALA is against the abuse of power, abuse of Gambian assets. This is what is clear. So let nobody think otherwise. So ci gàttal rek li ma doon wax mooy rek